Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the Starry Signs Block of the Month and Quilt Sew Along. This month, we're going to foundation paper piece our 7th Starry Signs block, the Cancer Constellation. In addition to this video, be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern, as well as the links below to additional video tutorials. Since there are only 4 paper pieces required to make this minimalist constellation, this month's block comes together fairly quickly. If you need some extra help, be sure to refer to the videos in the previous blocks. Let's get started. There is no right or wrong way to foundation paper piece, but this month I thought I'd share with you how I typically like to paper piece in an assembly line type of way. This method may not work well for everyone, but I find that I'm fairly efficient and I really enjoy working this way. Essentially, instead of working on one paper piece at a time, I'm working through all the pieces at the same pace. First, I'll attach section 1 to all of the pieces, and then I'll go through and sew on section 2 to all the pieces, then trim them all, press them all, and then I'll go back and repeat the same process until all the paper pieces are full. Just for fun, I thought I'd insert what this process looks like sped up. If only I could paper piece this quickly. I don't recommend it, especially since a sharp rotary blade is involved. I can't wait to see your block come together. Thanks again for being here and for sewing along with us. I'll be back next month with even more tips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Also, be sure to share your quilt block progress. Email me a high-res photo of your block so I could share it in our online gallery. My email address can be found on the pattern. Or share your photo on social media and be sure to tag me so I don't miss your post. See you next month and happy sewing.